Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna make Mapo Tofu for my dinner. So I'm just gonna start chopping down my vegetables in 3, 2, 1, go. Mapo Tofu ko लागि चाहिँ we need to boil the tofu for 1 minute in the salt water. So हाम्रो पानी चाहिँ उम्लिसकेको छ. So I'm just gonna put this for 1 minute. So 1 minute भइसकेको छ. So I'm just gonna drain out the water from this. So we're just gonna add the oil, add onion and garlic, add Nima, spring onion, green beans. I'm just gonna add the chili oil, soy sauce, chicken broth cubes. I'm gonna add a bit of water. Our main thing, Mapo Tofu ma tofu halnu gaiरहेछु म. Add a bunch of bok choy at the top. Turn down the heat. I'll just cover this one. So मेरो Mapo Tofu पनि ready भइसकेको छ. So तपाईहरुले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Bok choy it's gonna get ready on its own. त्यो heatले नै आफै पाक्छ. So yeah, that's all. Now I'm just gonna go and edit my video.